We made it! There's already some little step. No rollovers today, take it easy. It's our first time, we want to live. Just take it easy.
Uh-oh, wait, we're going down?
Slow down, slow down, slow down. We're gonna set up camp and then we have some family meeting us out here with some side-by-sides, and I'm hoping that we can rent possibly a side-by-side so we can just go around and just cruise around today and check out the area. So stay tuned. Let's have some fun in Pismo. Just got here and there's already some little steps. So I think we're gonna put it in 4x. There's a Jeep. After a long early drive, we finally arrived at Pismo Beach, California, where we paid $35 to enter with the Jeep and the trailer. And as soon as we got there, we decided we were gonna set up camp. But soon as we started setting up, the wind and the weather just got crazy. As you can see, the tent is shaking really bad. The winds were probably around 25-30 miles an hour, and sand, you can see the sand just blowing across the dunes and getting everywhere. Cooking and sleeping are two main important things when I like to go camping, so we decided that we were just going to pack things up and enjoy the day. If you do decide that you want to avoid the very windy weather on the beach, there are a couple options and campgrounds off the main highway, and just before the entrance, I do recommend the campground there at the Oceano campground. This was going to be our best option for camping, but our family had said that we can just stay with them at their house just a few miles up the road, so we lucked out on that. If you do want to camp here, I highly recommend you make a reservation for the days that you want to stay. Alright fellas, we are in the side-by-side on our way to catch some dunes real quick. And yeah, I'm putting all my life on my wife's cousin. So our life is now in her hands. And then she's gonna take us to go get our own side-by-side, and we'll do some cruising around Pismo, guys, show you what it's like. Alright, safety belt check. Oh, we have some lights off into the distance. Oh, we got a TJ off to the right with the Mexican flag. Pretty cool. Okay, she looks like she's gonna be doing a loop around here. Oh, here's the bumps. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Take it easy, take it easy. That was insane. Never done that before. Okay, we're passing some people up now. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Alright, slow down. That was insane. That was insane. Alright, slow down. Slow down. I want to live today. I want to live today. We won't be doing that. If
you would have died already.
My worry is hitting a fence. You know, I don't off-road with speed. I crawl. Alright, no rollovers today. Take it easy. It's our first time. We want to live. Just take it easy.
Uh-oh, wait, we're going down?
Just take it easy. No.
No! No, dude, no, I'm not ready.
That was cool.
Oh, okay.
Easy, easy, easy. All right, she's going going up the hill. Alright, cool, cool. Nice. Yeah, these are a lot of blind spots out here. I'm not a fan of that at high speed. Beautiful. Ocean views look sweet. Oh, woo-hoo-hoo. I got a little puckered up right there. Alright, so we're headed to go get our side-by-side. We're gonna be renting one and just cruising it around for the first time. We've never actually driven one, so this is gonna be a new experience for us. So we'll see how it works out.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Alright, ready? So you're gonna put it right here, and then you're gonna put it on H. H is to drive, R is to back up.
This
There
way?
you go, yep.
Alright.
And you can only go 15 until we get to the dunes.
Alright.
You gotta, oh, you
I have to back up?
Yeah.
Oh. Am
Wait,
I in
are
reverse?
you're in the wrong seatbelt. Hold on. It's not gonna work. Alright, now go.
Oh, I'm in neutral.
You're in neutral.
I never switched.
Okay. Wait,
I'm
why
still
is it?
neutral.
Okay, there you go. There we go.
Ah,
Hi,
yeah.
guys. There you go.
Dad, go to the back.
What?
Go to the
I
back
don't
of the
know where I'm
place. That's
going.
where you can go fast.
You can only go 15 until we get to the dunes.
Alright.
So you can see the thing.
Do I go this way?
Yeah, go through there. Okay. And you have this, so if you guys see who's behind you, you can, so you don't run nobody over.
Alright. You tell me where to go, I'll go.
Go that way.
Go this way?
Yep.
You can pick up speed now.
Only 15. We'll get a $400
You want me to go up
ticket.
here? Oh man.
Scared?
Kinda.
Alright. Now you don't have to go fast if you don't want to, but here's your dip. Pay attention to what you're doing.
Nice. I don't really like to go fast because I'm not like a fast
No,
off-roader.
you can go that way. You can go. Just pay attention to where you're going.
I'd like to
It
do
might not
it.
look like it's a dip, and it can be a steep ass hill.
Okay. Where are the hill climbs? Let's do some of those.
Okay, go that way.
This way?
There you go.
I was checking the brakes. Just checking the brakes. Yeah, it's a lot different than a Jeep TJ.
Yeah. I don't know how steep those hills are right there, so I can't see. You don't want to go too. There you go. I'm normally driving, so I'm all freaked out.
Yeah, so you know what to do. Wanna go up it?
Right there, that one. Go up that one.
Wanna go up
Right
it?
here, because go up that one.
Go up that one?
See? You gotta start over there though.
We'll make it right here.
Come on now. Oh, oh, shit! Oh, go, 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 go,
We made it. We made it. You got, I should have throttled all the way through.
Yeah. Go that way.
Go this way?
Yeah. Oh, shit. Okay, slow down. Then go straight.
See what these guys are doing. Oh, he's hitting the wall.
What's that?
He's hitting the walls. There's a truck right there.
You got no fear, Dustin?
Hey, can I get some glasses? I'm getting a lot of sand in my eyes.
Wow, this opens up to a lot. Look at that Jeep right
Thank
there.
you. Hold on.
Oh, like, oh, this one's different. This one's bigger.
Oh yeah, all day. That was easy, yeah. That's cool. Nice. You ate 10? That was fun. These are cool little hills. Oh, felt like the wheels came off the ground there. Nice little dip. That's a jump.
No,
No?
better not.
Why not? Aw, you gonna do that? You gonna do that? We're not gonna jump it. That's a drop. Go for it.
Let's go.
Oh, another one. That's another one. That's another one. Easy, easy.
No.
There we go. Straight down. Nice.
Go back up.
Here we go. Oh. High center. We high center.
Stop.
Just go straight back.
Don't go back. You don't have to. You don't have to go in reverse.
Are you in reverse? There we go. There we go.
Do we get out?
Nice and slow.
Can we get out?
We're gonna ride out of it. We're gonna ride backwards, guys. Just nice and easy.
No, we're going back.
Just nice and slow.
I'm scared.
All right. We got it.
Don't do that.
We're gonna do it again. We're gonna go for
But we just got stuck.
So guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video, short and sweet. But I did want to say we had a great, awesome couple of nights here with some family and friends enjoying off-roading trip. Y'all have a good day, enjoy yourselves, peace.